Okay, so today I'm going to demonstrate how to set up Windows Server 2016 on an Oracle VirtualBox and also how to connect a Windows 7 to that Server 2016 that you set up. So to begin, first you're going to need two things. One, you're going to need to download our Oracle Virtual Machine. This can be easily downloaded from the website. Just go into any browser of your choice, search up Oracle Virtual Machine, and it'll be the first result there. Also, you're going to need Windows Server 2016 ISO. I downloaded mine from a torrent. You can do the same, or if you have it another means, you could also use that. Okay, so to begin, I opened Oracle VirtualBox. Then I'm going to hit New for a new virtual machine, and we're going to title this virtual machine Server 2016, since that is the server that you're going to be using. After that, we're going to go down to version. Look for version Windows 2016. As you can see, it's right here, 64-bit. Click it, then hit next. After hitting next, hit next again, and finish. So from there, you're going to want to start up the virtual machine. Okay, so when starting the virtual machine, you'll see this prompt. Well, when you for the first time, you'll see this prompt, and from here, you're going to locate your ISO. In this case, mine is right here. Yours will be located somewhere, probably in your downloaders folder or whatever folder you will place it in, but mine was located right here. So I'm going to mount and retry boot. From here, you're going to choose whatever language to install it in. For me, I'm choosing English, and I'm going to hit next, install now. In my case, I'm going to choose Windows Server 2016 Standard. You could choose whichever one you want to choose, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be going with Standard. Hit accept, and next. Here, you're going to want to follow what I do. And instead of hitting upgrade, you're going to hit custom, install Windows only, next. And we're just going to have to wait for it to install. After the installation is completed, the virtual machine will restart itself once or twice and install all necessary files. And from here, they're going to prompt you to make a username, well, make an account for administrator, and also insert a password. From here, you're going to want to insert a password that you can remember. In my case, for the purpose of the video, I'm choosing password 1. Hit next. Now we're going to want to log in. Right here, if you press Ctrl or Delete, your main computer, your host machine, will actually accept that input. So what you're going to want to do is hit the right Control and Delete, and then from there type in your password. And as you can see, Server 2016 is successfully installed and operational. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to connect your Server 2016 to your 2007 to your Windows 7 client. And what you're going to want to do is to open up the Server 2016, and also in the back have your virtual machine of a Windows 7 running. So first, what you're going to want to do is go into the network settings of your 2016 server. Network settings, then change advanced sharing options, and you're going to want to turn every feature here on except for password sharing, password protected sharing. On, on, uh, on, password protected sharing off. Check again to make sure everything is correct. Lovely. Save changes, then do the same thing to your Windows 7. Go down, open network sharing center, change advanced sharing settings, turn everything on, except for password protected sharing, and turn that off. You turn it off here too. Save changes. Lovely. From here, you're going to want to go up to your Windows Server 2016. Now you're going to change adapter options. Ethernet. You'll know to right click on it. Properties. You're going to search for IPv4. Click it. Change, obtain an IP address automatically to use the following IP address. And you're going to want to follow and do exactly what I do. You're going to put 192.168.0.1. And then when you go here, when you well, here was blank before, but if you were to just click here, it will automatically fill for itself. Then down here, you're going to want to paste the same thing, 192.168.0.1. And this is going to be the IP address for the server and for the server alone. And you're going to want to change it over on your Windows 7 as well. Go to our change adapter settings. Right click, options, IPv4, click it. But you're going to want to be 192.168.0.2 instead, because this is a different device. This is your Windows 7 client, so you're going to give that different IP address. For the subnet, click it, it will automatically fill for himself, and then you're going to want to route this back to the preferred DNS server. Route this back to 192.168.0.1, which was the IP address that we gave to our server. Alright, it settings upon exit. Okay, close off this, and now you should be good there. But now we want to prove that how they are connected. So what we are going to do is we're going to ping each device from the other. So I'm going to go into the server. I'm going to open command prompt by typing the CMD shortcut. I'm going to hit IP config/all first. Lovely. After that, I'm going to want to hit ping. And for ping, what you're going to do is you're going to ping this IP address of the client, of the Windows 7 client. So you're going to hit 192.168.0.2. And as you can see, we are able to ping the device from here. Lovely. 4 cent for receive, 0 loss. And you're going to want to do the same from the Windows 7 client. Over. Hit CMD. IP config. And then after that, we're going to ping 192.168.0.1, which will be IP address for the server. Hit enter, and as you can see, we're hitting it perfectly. And yeah, that's the tutorial on how to set up your Windows Server 2016 on a virtual machine, and also how to connect a Windows 7 client to that server.